Nobody is talking about this tool, Lobe AI, and this is an amazing, amazing tool. And those who are interested in the image processing and the labeling and all, they can easily use this without writing a single line of code. What it can do, you can see there in the right hand side that this image, that is a video basically, the detection is there, like laugh, color, no color, painting white, you can see the color, then no mask, there was crunch earlier, and it can do a lot. And let me go to some examples here and show you. Examples are there, you can see that how the data set is there, that some data set is there, you can upload your own data, right? So you can upload your own data and enjoy this. You can see the hand gesture is there, reset, crunch, laugh, smile. Okay, you can see that it is laugh, emotional reactions, colors, mask. As I said, you can see the ocean, the whale is there in the ocean, then pollen. You can see that how things are doing. Beehive health, you can see that sleeping, awake. You can set a trigger there, onion and all. And how you can do, let me go to the demo. It has a beautiful demo, so I'll be using the demo and not the sound, but yes, we'll go to the demo and easily can understand how it is going to work. All right, so let me get to the demo, watch the tour. Right, you can go to lobe.ai. It shows that it is not secure, but it works fine. Some reasons, certificate, or that has to be explored what the reason, but anyway, for now let's talk about this. You can see that Lobe is there. We are talking about Lobe, and let me skip this, I don't want this. Okay, as I showed you the demo, in the data set it is there and easy to use. It detects the water, you're keeping the water. If you want to check how many glasses of water you have taken in a day, you can do this. And how we're going to do it, let's see this. You can just label the thing first. Let me actually, this is little blurred, so let me, yeah, this is clearer. Okay, so you have to label, train, and then you have to play. So import, either you have the images, you can import, you can use camera to import, or if the data set is there, that is data which you have, you can use this. Now let's see, using camera and recording. Okay, now label, you have to label, actually you have to tell what type of image it is. Drinking and different movement, you can see on the left hand side how many images have been captured. And drinking, you can see that the label is drinking, right? Very, very easy to do. And you can move and all, and you can see that it is capturing. And you can try it on your own also. On left side, right hand side, you can change the hand size, movements, so that you don't miss. If you miss, then also it is easy to train. Now once you have the data with you, now what you have to do, the data is there, so what you have to do, you have to just go to train drinking water. You can see that you can play this and see whether it is drinking or not drinking. First you can check that you are training that. You just have to click on train, you train and see. And in live mode you can see that it will detect, see it is training, it will train again. You can play, or you can see this data which has been created automatically. It has been created, you can import it, or you can actually view it if you want. And you can see that here, 23 images, 71% accuracy. You can see that it is drinking water. You can change the label if you like that. Okay, fine, this is not the right label, you can simply change the label and that will do the trick, right? So that is something interesting. It has lot of things it can do on its own, and you can change the label. Again, train that. Just have to click on train. Drinking water. You can see that it will show you that it is not right. So what if it is red? That means it is not drinking water, right? So this is just one example. Okay, you can have more examples. You can see that water is there, but if you change the glass, then also you have to check. You can see drink, not drink, and you can correct that. You have to click on this. If it is okay, then click on this. Otherwise, you can click on this. No, this is not correct. The label is not correct. See, it is telling you drinking, not drinking. You can train the model again. You can edit the data. You can see this demo. It is there on the site easily. I'm just explaining on my own. This demo is very much there on Lobe.ai and how it is happening. You can see that drinking, and in some case it may not be able to detect that. And if it is not able to detect, you can change the label. You can see this edit is there. So you can change the label, and you can see not drinking and drinking. If it is not there, not drinking, so it is actually taking up. So it is not drinking. You can say okay. You can click here. So you can train if you want. You can add more things. You can have your own images and see the data is there generated. You can export this model as it is. If you want, you can export this as a TensorFlow or whatever the way you want the data. You can export, and with the code also you can export the model. With the model you can export everything, and you can use it and without writing a single line of code. And then you can have an interface. You can create a front end, and you can see that if you're drinking or not drinking water in a day. It's easy to do, very very easy to do. So what time you drank water, you can train it. So you can have a look at this demo on the site also and learn, and it's very very interesting. I like it actually. I like it a lot because first it is free of cost, right? And second, without writing a single line of code, I can do a lot. You can have a tour. You can have a tour. You can have the blogs. So you can have a blog and see what all is there, and how much machine learning kit with add a fruit. You can use this like Lobe kit. You can use. You can generate a lot can be done, and you can either you can download this on your system, or you can test it here also and download whatever is required. So you have the download option. You can download this, watch this store, and, and the model is there. Once the model is there on your system, you can actually export the data and everything else, and the model itself will go, and that's it. You don't have to write a single line of code. It's an amazing, amazing tool. Try it. Have a nice day, and guys, don't forget to subscribe the channel. There are more to come. Lot more tools which nobody will tell you. Have a nice day. Good night.